Dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn about fractions, decimals and rational numbers. First take fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole or of a group. Part of a whole or of a group. So first you take one square box. This is the one square. So you divide it into first two equal parts. You divide it into two equal parts. After you shade this part, you shaded this part. Now we have to write in fraction. Fraction means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means the fraction of a shaded part of the square equal to 1 by 2. Once again, the shaded part of a fraction of this square box square equal to 1 by 2. So in 1 by 2, 1 is called numerator and 2 is called denominator. 1 is called numerator, 2 is called denominator. So next rational numbers. Next rational number. Before once we recall natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So natural numbers. It is start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, so etc. These numbers are called natural numbers and it's denoted by n. And whole numbers. It is start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. These numbers are called whole numbers. It is denoted by W. And next integers, that is previous chapter in this 7th class. So what about integers mean? All two numbers, all positive numbers including 0. These numbers are called integers. It's denoted by capital Z. Now rational numbers. So what about rational numbers mean? P by Q form. It is the form in P by Q form. So that numbers are called natural numbers. P by Q mean fractional numbers. P by Q mean fractional numbers. So that numbers are called rational numbers. Next. Proper fraction and improper fraction. Proper fraction and improper fraction. Proper fraction and improper fraction. Already we have learned about proper fraction and improper fraction in bridge course, previous classes. So proper fraction. What is the proper fraction mean? The numerator is the fraction is having numerator is less than the denominator. The type of fractions are called proper fraction. Once again, first take proper fraction. The fractional numbers having numerator is less than the denominator, that fractions are called proper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. So that fractions are called proper fractions. Example. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 7, 4 by 9, so and so, etc. So many examples are there of proper fraction. Once see children, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 7 and 4 by 9, so and so. These are examples of proper fraction. Once observe here children, in 1 by 2, numerator, denominator. 1 is called numerator, 2 is called denominator. So 1 is less than the 2. That means numerator is less than the denominator. In 3 by 4, numerator is less than the denominator. In 5 by 7 also same. In 4 by 9 also same. So these are proper fraction. Now coming to take improper fraction. Improper fraction. This is the opposite of proper fraction. So what about improper fraction means? The fractional numbers having numerator is bigger than the denominator. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. So that type of fractions are called improper fractions. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. Bigger than the denominator. This type of fractions are called improper fractions. Now examples. 3 by 2, 7 by 4, 5 by 3, 4 by 2, so and so, etc. See children, 3 by 2, 7 by 4, 5 by 3, 4 by 2, so and so, etc. So these are improper fractions. Once observe here, in 3 by 2, 3 is called numerator, 2 is called denominator. So numerator is bigger than the denominator. In 7 by 4, numerator is bigger than the denominator. In 5 by 3, numerator is bigger than the denominator. In 4 by 2 also same. So these are improper fraction examples. Next, mixed fraction. What children? Mixed fraction. What is the mixed fraction? Once tell me children. Mixed fraction. Now, mixed fraction. See children, mixed fraction, the combination of one whole part and proper fraction. The combination of whole part and proper fraction, these are called what children? Mixed fraction. Combination of whole number or whole part. Whole number or whole part and proper fraction. Proper fraction. Combination of whole number or whole part and proper fraction, this is called mixed fraction. Example. 4 1 by 2, 3 1 by 4, 7 3 by 5, so and so, etc. So and so, etc. So these are examples of mixed fraction. Once see children, combination of whole number and proper fraction, these are called mixed fraction. Example, 4 1 by 2, 3 1 by 4, 7 3 by 5, so and so, etc. Once see children, 4 1 by 2, 4 is the whole number and 1 by 2 is proper. In 3 1 by 4, 3 whole number, 1 by 4 is proper. In 7 3 by 5, 7 whole number and 3 by 5 is a proper fraction. Next, comparison of fractions. What children? Comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions. So comparison of fractions means one see children, 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 7 by 2, 14 by 2, so and so. So 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 7 by 2, 14 by 2. Here how many fractions are given? 4 fractions. 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 7 by 2, 14 by 2. Once observe here, denominators 2, in 4 by 2 also 2, in 7 by 2 also 2, in 14 by 2 also 2. So 2, 2, 2, 2. So denominators are same. So the denominators are same, that type of fractions are called like fractions. Which fractions children? Like fractions. What is the like fractions? denominators are same, so that given fractions are called what children? Like fractions. These are called like fractions. Like fractions. Next, 3 by 5, 7 by 3, 4 by 9, 10 by 5. 10 by 5 or 15, sorry. 10 by 15. 3 by 5, 7 by 3, 4 by 9, 10 by 15. Observe children here. 3 by 5, denominator is 5. In 7 by 3, denominator is 3. In 4 by 9, denominator is 9. In 10 by 15, denominator is 15. So denominators are not same. Once see children, in these all fractions, denominators are not same. So this type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Which fractions children? Unlike fractions. So comparison of fractions. How many types children? Two types. What is that? Like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions and unlike fractions. What about like fractions? Denominators are same. The given fractions, that fractions are called like fractions. Denominators are not same. That type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Next. Now we are coming to take exercise 1. Exercise 1. Exercise 1, first one. Compute and express the result as a mixed fraction. Once children, this is the exercise 1 in fractions, decimals and rational numbers. So first one, compute and express the result as a mixed fraction. So compute means what? Simplification. What is that? Simplification. And that answer have to express the result as a mixed fraction. First problem, 2 plus 3 by 4. 2 plus 3 by 4. Once see children, 2 plus 3 by 4. So 2 is a whole number, 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. Now we have to add whole number and proper fraction. So see children, 2 plus 3 by 4, take this whole number, write in fraction, that is 2 by 1. So 2 by 1, in 2 by 1 is the denominator, that is your imaginary, plus 3 by 4. So 2 by 1 plus 3 by 4. Next, so in 2 by 1 2 by 1 is the denominator, in 3 by 4 is the denominator. So denominators are not same, so these two fractions are unlike fractions. Now you convert into like fractions. Before you have to find LCM of these two fractions. So LCM of denominators 1 and 4 equal to what children? LCM of 1 and 4. 1 4 jar 4. Why 1 into 4 we know? 1 and 4 has no common factors. That's why I have to do multiplication these two numbers. So 1 into 4 equal to what children? 4. Now take 2 by 1. This 1 in 4 times divisible. So into numerator, into denominator, plus 3 by 4. This 4 in 4, 1 time into 1 time, equal to 2 4 jar 8 by 1 4 jar 4, plus 3 1 jar 3 by 4 1 jar 4. Now once observe here, 4 and 4. So both are equal. These two fractions are like fractions. Now you can add the numerator. Numerators mean what children? 8 plus 3. So 8 plus 3 by 4. What children? 11 by 4. 8 plus 3 by 4, what children? 11 by 4. So 11 by 4, which fraction? Numerator is bigger than the denominator. So 11 by 4 is called what children? What children? Improper fraction. This improper fraction expressed into mixed fraction. So 11 by 4 convert into mixed fraction. Once see children, take 11 by 4. So this 11 by 4 do division. Do division. So 4 in 11, how many times divisible children? Take 4 table. 4 1 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 4 3 jar 12. The 12 is more than the 11. So you take only 2 times. So 2 4 jar how many times? 8. 11 minus 8 how much children? 3. So first you take what children? This is the 2. After take 3 by 4. After take 4. So this mixed fraction 2, 3 by 4. First, what is this part children? Quotient place. Remainder. Divide. So 2, 3 by 4. This is the mixed fraction. So 2 plus 3 by 4 result is 2, 3 by 4. Next, second problem. Are clear children? Next, take second problem. Seven by 9 plus 1 by 3. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. See children, in 7 by 9, denominator is 9. In 1 by 3, denominator is 3. Both are not same. So it is called unlike fractions. So you find the LCM. So LCM of 9 and 3 equal to. So here 9, 3. Already know that how to find the given two numbers of LCM. So 3 in 9 3 times, in 3 1 time. Now take 3 in 3 1 time, here 1. Now 3 3s are how much children? 3 into 3 how much? 9. So here 9. LCM of 9 and 3 equal to how much children? 9. Now take 7 by 9. 7 by 9. This 9 in 9 how many times divisible? 1 time only. Into 1 into 1 plus take 1 by 3. This 3 in 9 3 times. Into 3 into 3 equal to 7 1 jar 7 by 9 1 jar 9 plus 1 3 jar 3 by 3 3 jar 9. So 7 plus 3 how much children? So now you can add numerators. 7 plus 3 by 9. How much children? 10 by 9. 7 plus 3 10 by 9. Now this improper fraction. Why it is improper fraction? Numerator is bigger than the denominator. So 10 by 9 do division. It is equal to mixed fraction. So 10 by 9. So 9 in 10 now, 1 time only divisible. So 9 1 jar 9. So do subtraction. 10 minus 9 how much children? 1. So now take quotient place. How much children? 1. What is the remainder? 1 by divisor equal to 9. So 10 by 9 equal to 1 by 9. 1 by 9. So this is the mixed fraction. Now take third problem, that is 1 minus 4 by 7. What is that children? 1 minus 4 by 7. This is the subtraction problem. Once see children, 1 minus 4 by 7, 1 is called a whole number, but 4 by 7 is a what children? Proper fraction. So take 1, write in fraction, 1 by 1. Take 1, write in fraction. So 1 by 1 minus 4 by 7. Here denominator is not given. That's why we keep in denominator 1. So 1 by 1 minus 4 by 7. So 1 and 7 unlike fractions. So you find the LCM. So LCM of 1 and 7 equal to how much children? 7. Why? Because 1 and 7 has no common factor. That product, that means 1 into 7 equal to 7. Now take 1 by 1. This 1 means denominator. This denominator 1 in 7 how many times divisible? 7 times only. Into numerator into denominator. In middle which symbol is given? Minus. Now bring down 4 by 7. This 7 in 7 how many times? 1 time, 1 time. Now 1 7 is 7, 1 7 is 7 minus 4 1 jar 4, 7 1 is 7. Now subtract the numerator. 7 minus 4 by 7. 7 minus 4 how much children? 3 by 7. 3 by 7. So 7 minus 4 what the children? 3 by 7. One see children. 1 minus 4 by 7. This is the 1 by 1 minus 4 by 7. LCM of 1 and 7 equal to how much children? 7. Now take 1 by 1. So this 1 in 7 times only into 7 minus. Take 4 by 7. This denominator 7 in 7 1 time only. So into 4. 4 into 1 and 7 into 1. 1 7 is 7. 1 7 is 7 minus 4 1 jar 4. 7 1 jar 7. Now 7 minus 4 what children? 3. 3 by 7. Once observe that 3 by 7, numerator is less than the denominator. That means 3 is less than the 7. So this fraction is called proper fraction. That proper fraction no need to convert into mixed fraction. Clear children? Next, fourth problem. Now fourth problem, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Once observe here children, 2 by 3. This fraction is a mixed fraction. This mixed fraction you should convert into improper fraction. So 2 into 3. 2 3s are how much children? 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 2. 2 3s are 6 plus 2 how much children? 8. So take 2 by 3 plus 2. Here keep into, here plus. 2 3s are 6 plus 2. 8 by 3 plus here 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. So 8 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Denominators here 3 in 1 by 2, 2. So unlike fractions, you should find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 2 equal to 3 2s are how much children? 6. Why it is 6? Means 3 and 2 has no common factors. That's why 3 into 2 equal to 6. Now take 8 by 3. 8 by 3. So this 3 in 6, how many times divisible children? 2 times. Into 2 plus take 1 by 2. This 2 in 6, how many times? 3 times. 3 times. 8 2s are 16 by 3 2s are 6 plus 1 3s are 3 by 2 3s are 6. Now denominators are same. You can add the numerators. That means 16 plus 3 by 6 equal to 19 by 6. 19 by 6. So numerator is 19. 6 is the denominator. So numerator is bigger than the denominator. This is called improper fraction. Compulsory you should convert into mixed fraction. Do division here 6. So 6 in 19, 3 times only divisible. 6 1 jar 6, 6 2 jar 12, 6 3 jar 18. So 3 times here 18. So 9 minus 8 how much children? 1. 1 minus 1 0. Then you have to write the left side of 1. So 1. So here this quotient remainder divided. So 3 1 by 6. This is the improper fraction. So 3 1 by 6 is the answer of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 answer. Next second bit, that is arrange the following in ascending order. Now second one, arrange the following arrange the following in ascending order. First page 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. See children, arrange the following in ascending order. So what is the ascending order, children? Already you know that ascending order means small to big. We arrange the given numbers small to big. So 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. So in 5 by 8, denominator is 8. In 5 by 6, denominator is 6. In 1 by 2, denominator is 2. So these three denominators are not same. So these three fractions are called unlike fractions. So the given unlike fractions, that's why you did not compare the given fractions. So these three fractions convert into like fractions. So before we have to find the LCM of these three denominators. So LCM of 8, 6 and 2. Take these three numbers 8, 6 and 2. 8, 6, 2. So 8 even number, 6 also even number and 2 also even number. So 2 divisible. 2 divisible. In 8 4 times, in 6 3 times, into 1 time. Now take 2 table, 2 in 4 2 times, here not divisible 3 1. Now take 2 1 3 1. Now take 3 1 1. So take this all prime numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here 2 is how many? 1 2 3. 1 2 3 into 3. Now product. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are how much, children? 24. Once again, 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So LCM of 8, 6 and 2 equal to how much, children? 24. How much? 24. Now take 5 by 8. 5 by 8. So denominator 8. In 5 by 8, 8 is the denominator. So this 8 in 24, how many times divisible, children? 3 times. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. So here 3, here 3. Next, bring down. What is the second fraction? 5 by 6. This 6 means denominator. So 6 in 24, 4 times. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are how much, children? 24. So here 4, here also 4. Now what is the third fraction? 1 by 2. So 2 in 24 how many times? 12 times. How many times, children? 12 times. Now 5 3s are 15 by 8 3s are 24. 5 4s are 20 by 6 4s are 24. 1 12s are 12 by 2 12s are 24. So once observe here, children. In 15 by 24, in 20 by 24, in 12 by 24, denominators are same. Here 24, here 24, 24. So these three fractions are like fractions. Now observe the numerators. 15, here 20, here 12. So 12 smaller than the 15 and 20. After that 15 is smaller than the 20. So you are asking ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So first take 12 by 24 less than. After take 15 by 24 less than 20 by 24. That means 12 by 24. 12 by 24. What is the original fraction? 1 by 2 less than. After that 15 by 24. What is that, children? 5 by 8. What, children? 5 by 8 less than. After that 20 by 24. What, children? 5 by 6. So 5 by 6. Now I have to say the given fractions in ascending order 1 by 2 less than the 5 by 8 less than the 5 by 6. This is the solution of given first question in arrange the following in ascending order. Next take second problem in second bit. Clear children? Yes. What is that children? 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 3 by 10. See children, 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 3 by 10. Once see children, in 2 by 5, denominator is 5. In 1 by 3, denominator is 3. In 3 by 10, denominator is 10. So 5, 3, 10 not equal. So these three fractions are unlike fractions. So you find the LCM. So LCM of 5, 3 and 10 equal to. So take these three numbers 5, 3, 10. 5, 3, 10. 5, 3, 10. Take first 3. So in this process you have to take the prime factors only, prime numbers only. So 3 in 5 not divisible, that's why bring down 5. In 3 1 time, in 10 not divisible, take 10. Now take 5 table. In 5 1 time, in 10 2 times. Now take 2 1. So 3 into 5 into 2. 3 into 5 into 2. 3 5 are 15. 15 2 are how much children? 30. 3 5 are 15. 15 2 are how much children? 30. So LCM of 5, 3 and 10 equal how much children? 30. Now take 2 by 5. So 5 in 30 how many times divisible? 6 times only. 5 6 are 30. So 6, here 6. Now bring down second fraction, that is the 1 by 3. This 3 in 30 10 times 10 times. Now bring down 3 by 10. So this 10 in 30 how many times children? 3 times. 10 3 are 30. So here 6. Now 2 6 are 12 by 30. 1 10 are 10 by 30. 3 3 are 9 by 30. 12 by 30, 10 by 30, 9 by 30. So in 12 by 30, denominator is 30. In 10 by 30, denominator is 30. In 9 by 30 also denominator is 30. So these are which fractions children? Like fractions. Now which is the smallest? 9. After that 10. After that 12. First